Hello, welcome to my channel. This is my rice. You can see I'm only using but 1 cup to do what I want to do. Thank you for watching and may the good Lord bless you in Jesus' name. This is my pepper. Wait. You can see my pepper. This is my pepper. Now we are going to pound it. This is my garlic. This garlic. We are going to pound it. See? My rice have done. You see my rice? You see it? You can see it. You can see it. This is my leaf. My leaf. Bit of sauce. You can see the rice is ready now. You can see it's ready. You see it? Now, this is my corn flour. 1 cup of corn flour. I'm going to mix it like this. Thank you for watching. Where are you watching from? I would like to know. My leaf. This is my leaf. You can see. We have finished it. This is the way we are going to do it. Inside the nylon. I hope you are seeing me. Inside the nylon. Inside the nylon. Are you seeing it? You see the one putting it inside the nylon. I hope you are seeing it. By making it in a way that it will be easy for all. You see what I'm doing? You can see it. I hope you are seeing it. Thank you. Now, the next thing we are going to do, to roll it like this. What to tackle all the clothes small. Now you turn it to the other side. That makes it so that everything will be flat. It should run. It should look beautiful. I hope you are seeing it. Thank you for watching. Please, I would like to know where you are watching from. You can see it. You turn to the other side. It's very, very smooth now. You can see it. Thank you for watching. I'm going to remove the nylon. You see the one I'm putting in. I'm going to remove the nylon. Everything has to be gentle, gentle. In a gentle way. You see, you don't need to rush it. You have to be gentle. In a gentle way. You see, everything has to be gentle, gentle. Can you see? Thank you for watching. Now, we remove the first part of it. You see it? Now, have to do it in a gentle way because this is not flour. Remember, it's rice. You now come back to this side in a gentle way. You see it? Can you see it now? You see it now? Now for us to cut it, remember we are still using this corn flour. We make sure it touches the corn flour very well. We cut like this. Make sure you always touch the corn flour while cutting it. Thank you for watching. I hope you are seeing it. You can still try it on your own. You make sure you touch it on the corn flour so that it should be easy for you to cut it. Thank you. Over to this side. Make sure it's touched very well, okay? Make sure it touches very well. See, I finished cutting it. You see, we're going to fry it for you to see how it's going to be like. Thank you for watching. Remember I said this is not flour, but rice. So you have to be gentle with while you are removing it. You touch this, you see, if you touch it, it will be easy for you to remove it. You don't touch it again. But if you don't touch it, it will not be easy for you to remove it. You can see it. Very easy. You touch it. While you touch it, it will be easy for you to remove it. You see, very easy to remove. While you touch it, it should be easy. You can see the way I'm removing it. Very easy to remove. Thank you. Oh, you know. Thank you. see it's ready. It's just like normal swaka. You see, very good and healthy. Thank you.